And I actually found that that was really good practice, like hearing no a lot, having to be strategic in the way that I would get a chance to meet someone and make a first impression and show them how impressive my work was and how good my follow-up was. Those skills are so useful as a business. And when what you're used to is like a big fancy career with a massive salary where you have a big fancy name on your resume, whether it's a fancy degree, whether it's a fancy company that you work for, right? Like that stuff is hard to give up to go eat ramen for a little while, on the chance of doing something better. But for me, when I was starting Sunlight Tax, I wasn't giving up that much because I didn't have a lot of money coming in. I didn't have anybody just saying yes to me reflexively because of, how much attention artists naturally command from the world, how much natural respect I got as an artist, right? So the opportunity cost was actually very low. Okay. You probably don't realize that a lot of people who seem more qualified than you to start a business actually often have a harder time doing so because they're giving up more to do it. So I don't love that this is an advantage, but it is an advantage.